Yeah, yo, I have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a mention. Tell you say up, girl up, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day. Yep.
Guys, these are the two colors that I used. I'm so sorry that I dived right into the video, but you gotta get into this look. So I'm gonna go in with the purple first, and I'm just gonna blend that on both eyes. So I'm going to take that pink color and I'm going to blend it underneath. Also, both of these colors that I recently used are matte colors. If you guys are interested in purchasing this palette, please comment and I will find the link for you. The pink kind of showed up more as white than a light pink, so I did go in with my hot pink from the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I wanted a darker hot pink look and the other pink was just not what I was looking for. So now I'm going to take my concealer and cut my crease. This is a more detailed version of how I cut my crease because the previous video I did not show you guys how I cut it. So now you guys get to see step by step the process of me cutting my crease. So I'm going to go in with that shiny blue color from the original palette that I started this tutorial with. And I'm going to put it in the beginning of my crease. This color is so amazing. I'm going to take that green, shining, sparkling color. It's like a light green. And I'm going to put that at the end of my crease. And I'm going to blend it in with the blue to make it look very ombre. I'm going to begin my face with taking the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. I'm going to spray that as well as the NYX Matte setting spray. Then I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color or the number, whatever you want to call it, N8. And then I'm going to blend it in. I'm going to take the same concealer and I'm going to conceal under my eyelids, on my nose, my chin. I'm going to blend everything. I'm going to contour my face with the True Complexion by Black Radiance contour palette. Then I'm going to take my Airspun setting powder and I'm going to put it at the usual places, under your eyelids, on your nose. I'm going to put it everywhere because you guys should know by now I do have oily skin, so I put more setting powder as other YouTubers do. This is just what I do. If you guys have dry skin, I do not recommend it at all, but this is the type of skin that I have and it makes my makeup last all day. Also, I did notice that I didn't contour my nose, so while I was baking off camera and putting on my lashes, I did contour my nose, so just add that in there. I'm going to go in with this lime color from my Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to put it on my waterline. Now I'm going to brush off all the setting powder. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend every part of my face. I like to do that to prevent flashback. Now I'm going to take my finishing powder from MAC. The color is dark tan, and I'm going to put it all over my face. I will show you guys the difference, because when I started doing makeup I never used this product, but look at the difference. Like, it's just amazing. So I really recommend this for people who do not want flashback. I'm going to take my LA Girl lipstick. I honestly don't know what color it is, but you can get it at your local beauty supply store. I'm going to highlight with the same palette that I contoured with. Then I'm going to set my face with the same setting spray, the e.l.f. and the NYX that I used in the beginning of this video. I did go back and add more highlight because I wasn't satisfied with how glowing my highlight was. So when you wear lashes, always get mascara to blend your lashes with your natural lashes. I'm going to take the same palette that I highlighted with and just highlight my brows. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please comment, like, and subscribe.